Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to open a multi-currency account and avoid FX fees in your Wise. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to open a multi-currency account and avoid the FX fee on Wise, you need to first of all go and log in into your Wise account. So once you log in into your Wise account, to open a Wise multi-currency account, you need to simply tap on the open account online option. So once you have done this, you need to simply get logged in into your account. As you have signed up and open a free register account for your new account, like multi-currency account, you can simply verify your personal details like name, date of birth, address, and a phone number. After this, once verified, you can go to your account and open a new balance by clicking the plus icon. You can select the currency you want to add a new account, and that currency will be created for you. Now, to avoid the FX fee, convert within your account. Like, instead of sending money directly to a different currency bank account, add money to your Wise account in one currency and then convert it to another currency within your account. You can check free rates and you can check another fees. You can spend from the correct currency and get local bank details. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.